Hi, I'm Jodi, Bakst, broker owner of Real Estate Experts, and today I'm going to talk about whether or not you need a carbon monoxide detector as a homeowner or a property owner of an investment or rental property. Carbon monoxide poisoning is very, very serious. And the CDC, the Center for Disease Control, has said that annually over 10,000 people a year get some sort of carbon monoxide poisoning that requires them to get treatment. And annually, well over 430 people actually die from carbon monoxide poisoning. Because of this, state legislatures across the country have changed the rules about when a carbon monoxide detector is required in a home or a rental property. So if your house has gas for in any way, fossil fuels for your furnace, any appliances, or your fireplace, or you have an attached garage, then carbon monoxide detectors are required. They're required in your home and they're required in your rental property. So let's just say you have a rental property that doesn't have any gas in the home, but it does have an attached garage. Then it needs a carbon monoxide detector. And not only does it need one carbon monoxide detector, it needs one on every level of the home. That rule in North Carolina doesn't apply to homeowners for some reason, but I think it's perfectly good practice if you have a gas furnace, gas appliances, a gas fireplace, or an attached garage to put a carbon monoxide detector on each level of your home. So why is there such a focus on garages? Well, if by chance, by accident, somebody leaves their car running, and this even applies to hybrid vehicles, if they leave their car running and the garage is closed, the fumes can get into the house and it can be deadly. That's why there's the requirement if you have an attached garage. I can say once I learned this rule, I immediately put it's either a battery operated or an electric carbon monoxide detector on each floor of my home, including my finished basement. I hope this helps. If Real Estate Experts can be any help to you in buying, selling, with property management, or investing, feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to help.